We'll guide you through how to delete apps on an Android phone permanently. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you no longer use an app, it makes sense to go and remove and uninstall it. Because otherwise it just goes and clutters up your phone and it can go and take up storage space as well. And perhaps you're low on storage space and you want to go and free some up, or there's another reason why you want to go and delete it, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to guide you through this step by step on how it's done, and I'll guide you through different ways you can go about this as well, in case you don't like one of the ways. So make sure you keep watching and let's go and get started. First of all, what you can do is you can go and open up your settings. So you want to go and swipe up like so, and you can actually go and see your different apps here. What you can do is you can then go and find the settings app and you want to go and tap on it. When you're in the settings, what we then need to do is we need to go and scroll down and we're going to go and find the option for apps. So here you're going to be able to go and see the different apps on your device. Wait for it to go and load. To the right here, you can press to sort. And if you're trying to go and free up space, you could actually go and sort it by the size. And you can then go and easily identify apps which are taking up lots of space on your device. And you could then go and uninstall them. If you're just looking for something specific, you can go and press the search in the top right and search for it, or you can just go and scroll down. So you can just go and scroll down here until you go and find an app or the app you want to go and delete. So let's go and say I wanted to go and delete this app here, duplicate contacts. I don't really use it anymore. So what you need to do is you want to go and click on it like so, just once. This will open up. And then what you can do is you can come down to the bottom and you're going to go and see the option for uninstall. So what you can then do is go and tap there. You then go and get this confirmation pop-up saying, do you want to uninstall this app? And you can go and press OK. And then it says uninstalling, just go and wait. And that's it. It's now gone and been uninstalled and deleted. And what you could do is go and scroll down and you can go and repeat that for more apps as well. Now, another way you can go about this is you can actually just go and find the app on your homepage, swipe across and find it, or swipe up and you can go and find it on the app page. Let's go and say I wanted to go and uninstall this app here, Zoom. What I can then do is tap and hold my finger on it and you keep it held down until you go and get this pop-up. And then what you can do is you can go and find the option for uninstall and you can go and tap there. You then go and get this pop-up. You can choose if you want to keep the app data. I don't, so I'll keep that unselected and press OK. And wait, and shortly the app's going to disappear. You can go and see it says uninstalled Zoom. So that's it. That's how you can go and delete apps on your Android phone permanently. Of course, you can always go and get them again from the Play Store if you go and change your mind. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with another how-to.